What's going on, Dev fam? Welcome back. We have entered the Scarlet and Violet. For the next few videos, we will be doing some type of packs from Scarlet and Violet. And I have a thing. Make sure you stay tuned because one of those videos will include some Stellar Crown. Yes, Stellar Crown, the newest set. Getting back to it. Tried the EBT last time. Went pretty fairly well. Got some pulls. Make sure you go check that one out. But for the next few videos, we're doing some Scarlet and Violet. Bringing some stuff back. The good, the bad, the ugly, and the shiny and crowns. So let's get straight into it. We have a booster bundle, 6-pack of Paradox Rift, and 3 Paldea Evolve out of Paldea Evolve, 3 pack blister, booster, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, but we can get straight into it. We're gonna say these for the bonuses. Going after that Magikarp. Today we're going for the Groudon and a couple more. Can't really think of everything in the moon. I think it's Roaring Moon. Yeah, I believe so. It's gonna be that one right there. So let's get straight into it. But if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Leave a like during the video. Leave a comment during the video. And make sure your notification bell is on as we starting off with the Roaring Moon pack art here. Looking for those special illustration rares out of these packs here. All right, there you go. Let's see what we can get. Starting off with a Psychic Energy. Go. God. Seedra. Energy. Trio. Line Sign. Reverse. Into just a hollow. Alright. Second pack from this booster bundle here. Really enjoy opening booster bundles lately. I've done a lot of Sword and Shield booster bundle battles. Make sure you go check those out. I will be doing some Scarlet and Violet ETBs battles. Probably some of the lower sets. What did I do? 4 to the front here. Let's see if we can reverse that. It's only 1 to the front. I messed that one all up. That's alright. Yeah, I was here to win this. There's no editing at Pokémon TCG. It's straight to the facts. No need to edit. Everything's still good, but it was, hey. So used to having it on my mind as we were just talking about what it was I'm going blank today, don't mind me. Alright. We're talking about Sword and Shield. That's why I did the 4 to the front. You know, I love doing that 4 to the front. It's 1 to the front with Scarlet and Violet. If you didn't know, now you know. Sometimes I have to remind myself. Alright. There's no problem there. Not for sure what ETBs I'm gonna do, depending on what it's looking like and what I still need. So you get a Gossapod EX full art. Very nice. There, we'll get that sneaker. It's always nice to pull a full art. I like the full arts. Alright. There you go. Look, count out 4. This habit opened up so much short shit, you know. Having it on my mind. It will be some Sword and Shield once we hit 2,000 subscribers. Trust and believe. Definitely. That is a pretty cool deal. Okay. There you go. 2 more packs in this, then we get into that 3-pack bonus of the video. I want to kind of get through this video a little quicker. There we go. Put that trash to the side there. To the front. Type Energy. Drop. Thing. Setting on. Reverse point. Reverse into just a hollow. Hope the lighting isn't too bad in here. Got the curtains open. Let's get into our final pack, Paradise Rift, and then we'll get into some Paldea Evolved. There we go. Alright, got a second type. Spender. Full screen tail. Into an ancient type. Ruined. It's pretty cool looking card though. So out of that, Paradox Booster Room. We only got one hit. It was Glossopod EX full art. Okay. Down to our 3 bonus pack. Let's start it off. We need to pull that special illustration rare magic card. That is what you want to see coming out of this set here. That is the chase. Alright. Let's see if we can get it. Reverse to just say hollow with the first. Okay. Still got 2 more shots at it. There you go. Hope y'all enjoy that one. Got some mice. Got some more mice. Super ride. I'm going fishing. Beautiful hair cross. Hair cross illustration rare. That is a beautiful illustration rare. Going into a double banger. Pikachu EX with the double banger. That's what I like to see. This is a beautiful illustration rare. Hair across here. That is a beautiful card. And we got a Pikachu EX. Pretty cool double rare Pikachu. That is a cool card there. We'll put that up there. So we get into our last and final pack. Can we get some more packs? Let's see what we can do. Alright, there you go. Alright. Psychic Energy. Slowbro. Leo. Rockruff. Palmy. Crow. Land. No. I forgot all about this card. How can I forget about the Iona special illustration rare? That is most definitely, that just shows you, I be forgetting about the Scarlet and Violet era. Don't know why. Just listen to my so deep in the Sword and Shield trying to go after the chase that you forget about these beautiful, beautiful special illustration rares. The Iona, I believe, at one point in time was the top card. I don't know how I forgot that. Then it went to the Magic card illustration rare. This is the best special illustration card. One of the most beautiful trainers that you could pull with all of the food, the Eevee, the Pikachu. If you look around, just a lot going on. Beautiful card. Going into a Poundmouth Hollow. Wow, beautiful Iona. And that is out of the bonus packs. That is out of the bonus packs of Paldea Evolve. If you haven't subscribed yet for stuff like this, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe with notification bells on. And until next time, peace. Daily Fam.